Hello everyone and welcome to Unlimited3D tutorial videos from 3Dium. Here we're going to jump straight into the platform, and in this video we're going to show you how to create your first project and your first solution. So this is the main dashboard. The first thing you will obviously see is which version you're running, some support channels, some tutorial videos. We're going to go here to projects and go ahead and click projects. And then from here you can click create new project. You have the option to give your project a name. We'll call this one My First Project. We can also enter a short description to know what it's about. So this is going to be epic. Another important thing to point out here is that you can add collaborators. So if there's other people on your team that you need to add into the software, you can add their email, click add, they'll receive an email. This will grant them access to the entire project. So all of the solutions, which we're going to walk through in just a minute. By adding a collaborator, they'll have access to seeing all of those. All right, let's go ahead and create this first project. And now you'll see we've got My First Project. And here we can start to create individual solutions within that project. So once you click Add Solution, you have the opportunity to add it to whichever project makes the most sense. This is really helpful for keeping organized if you have different product lines. Then you can also give each solution its own name, so each product name. And here you can add a short description about each of the individual solutions. So this is my very first solution. And there you go. It drops you off inside of Unlimited3D from 3Dium, and you are all set to begin building your first solution. Enjoy.